So guess what? It's the sixth day of Vlogmas, and guess what? Yesterday I went to go take a test, another COVID test, and today I got my results because I told you guys CVS is just like really quick here. So my test came back negative, which I'm super happy about. So that means that I get to go about my own routine. I get to do what the hell I want to, but I'm gonna clean up today. But first, before I clean up, I am probably gonna go to the gym and get some errands done. And stuff like that, and I'll bring you guys along with me, but I'm gonna film on my phone just so it's not super awkward with a whole like tripod and a big camera kind of set up in the gym. I'm just gonna set it down and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do that to people because people are already like self-conscious at the gym, so I'm not gonna do that. Plus I need my phone anyways for listening to music and stuff like that, so I'll take you guys along with my workout really quickly. And so I am going to tan before I work out because, well, I, like to be bronze all year round, and the only way to do that is artificial or being outside, and I just don't want to be outside. Don't worry, I got sunscreen on, so I'm not going to ruin my fresh baby skin from the chemical peel. You guys are not going to see me on the treadmill for the whole time, but I would like to state that I was on the treadmill for 20 minutes, just at a randomized incline, and 3.5, which isn't really that fast, but like I'll say later, I haven't been to the gym in a long time, so it's not really, I'm like kind of have to start back from the beginning-ish, just a little bit. And I would also like to state that this is not a flattering angle. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, rest of the video. I would also like to state really quickly that this is not the only machine that I did, but this is the only one that I captured just because I wanted to focus on my workout. Okay? Love you guys. So we're done at the gym. So guys, I haven't been to the gym in a very long time, and I feel really great. I don't know, we're not on Broadway. No, we're not. This is on hey, there's a Dollar Tree. I wonder if it has good stuff in it. No, the Dollar Tree's been there for a cool minute. Yeah, it has, but I've never been in that one. Alright. But yeah, ooh, Slim Chickens. That sounds delicious. Slim Chickens is good. I've only been there one time. And Cinnamon Bears. I don't know. Shoot, one day. Or Google it. We'll Google what Cinnamon Bears is. But I feel really great for exercising. How do you feel? I feel good. I'm energized. Yeah? Yeah. Just dancing. Okay, so we're on our way to go get smoothies again, just like yesterday and a couple days ago. You feel better about getting a smoothie after a workout? Like, it's like a reward. I feel better about getting a smoothie anytime because I get, from Smoothie King, I get the vegan pineapple spinach, and sometimes I get probiotic, and sometimes I get immune boost in it. It just depends. Sometimes I get pea protein in it, because I don't really do dairy, like I've stated before, just for my skin's sake. And whey has dairy, and that's the only other protein that they have, so I get pea protein. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna get today: pea protein and a vegan pineapple spinach. You know, gotta get all of our vitamins and vegetables in there. So I'll see you guys whenever we get to Lowe's. Yeah. Okay guys, so I am finally back from all of me and Melissa's errands and the gym and all of that. So I'm going to show you what we got while we were gone. And a clusterfuck of this stuff is also my puzzle. So over here, I kind of can't put things. But we just got back from Brahms. Brahms was our last stop. And Melissa got Cookie Monster. And I got Sicilian Orange. And then we also got some Frosted Mini Wheats because fiber, I guess. I don't know. I like the Frosted Mini Wheats. We also went to Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is our Dollar Tree bag. We have a dog toy here for Saint. Saint! What? You want this? You want it? You want it? Here you go. Go play. Go get it. We also got Saint another toy. It's like just a crinkly little flannel bone. Because our decorations for Christmas this year are flannel, so we have flannel everything. For the upstairs carpet and stuff, we have some carpet freshener. I got some more little wooden craft sticks for waxing. We got a laser pointer for the baby kitty, and Melissa got a Gatorade for herself. I actually don't like Gatorade, so there's that. So that's what's in that bag. I told you guys we were going to go to Lowe's, so I went to Lowe's. And we didn't go here for this, but we ended up getting it. It's a smart plug for, you know, you can control it with an app and all of that, so yay. We got some patches, 3 of them specifically because Melissa's cats, if they can't get to her and let her know that they're out of cat food downstairs, they will scratch. And so she's gonna patch the carpeting, not today probably, but some other time. And these are just 4 little bolts because we ended up getting off Skylar's bolt that holds his wheel for his bike in, but we couldn't, I don't know, it's just got really stripped, I guess you would call it. So there's that, and that's what we got from Lowe's. And then we went to the neighborhood Walmart. I got some cheese dip and some chips to go with said cheese dip. Melissa got some gum for herself. We got some green apples that I'm going to put in this bowl because our fruit bowl is like right over here. We got some actual butter because we need it for something. I can't remember, but Melissa needs it for something. We have some eggnog because I like eggnog. Okay? Don't judge me. We got a little ham. We're going to have some ham for dinner. So there's that. Melissa likes croutons. I actually hate croutons. I don't like crunchy hard bread. I like soft bread, so that's not my jam. Because with the ham, we're probably going to have a salad. And then we got these rolls to also go with our ham. And Melissa, for some reason, wanted the miniatures Reese cups. So she got those too. And that concludes our, you know, our haul. Oh, and we got a giant box. Hold on. And we always get the giant box of 40, what is it? 60 count eggs, because we just eat that many eggs all the time. We'll probably go through like 2 of these within a month span of time. So we have the eggs and I'm gonna now put all of the stuff I showed you away. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I am going to go all the way upstairs and sprinkle this carpet freshener on this carpet and all of our carpets, because I'm going to vacuum here in a minute.
So, let's turn around.
Oh, well, would you look at that? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. Well. So when we get Saint little babies, like the stuffed animals, he likes to make messes with them when we're not home. Okay. Cool. It's really just that little spot, so I'm gonna throw this in the trash in my bedroom really quickly. Holy shit! What the hell? Thank you, Saint. Samson is just sitting there. You guys, I am so mad at this dog right now. Like, it looks like I'm not mad because I'm laughing, but I'm laughing to keep from like being upset on camera. Okay, because this dog, oh, and he got into the Halloween candy that me and Melissa have hidden from Skylar in our closet. The closet is open, and here there's a piece of candy. There's some candy. Okay, so I am going to finish sprinkling this stuff on the stairs, come up here and fix all of this on the floor behind me, and then try to cook dinner. So this has begun to be a full day. I should have stayed having COVID. I didn't have to do all of this whenever I had COVID. So I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm gonna call it a night because I'm tired and I don't see myself doing anything else other than watching TV and washing my ass. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.